How to contact Gemini customer support. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on the profile button in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and you will find the support center option. Once you are in, you will see several help topics related to account management, funding, withdrawing, and more. Likewise, for quick responses, the live chat option is ideal. You can tap on the live chat button in the bottom right corner and ask your questions directly. You can also fill out the support form by entering your email address, selecting a category, adding a subject, writing the details of your request, and even attaching a file if needed. Then hit the submit button. The support team will review your query and respond as quickly as possible, usually within a few hours to a couple of days depending on the issue. Now you know how to contact Gemini customer support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.